Guys, today's video, it's a little weekend vlog. Welcome back. And you guys are gonna get to see behind the scenes of the new home projects that we're doing. Yes, you heard that right. Some new projects, kitchen reno. Hello. Happy Saturday. It's Saturday morning. And we, of course, are at our favorite place. Can you guess? Baby, tell them. Yeah, what? Where are we?
Yo sé con home.
We're at Home Depot. Saturday morning, early. It's like what, 10 a.m.? Top of the morning for you, but we gotta get some stuff. I want to tackle the closet before the holidays, and we need some stuff. Let's go. So we headed to Home Depot, and honestly, I did not find what I was looking for my closet. So it was a quick Home Depot run. We got some cleaning supplies, some stuff that we needed, and it started a quick little project when we got back home. You got your working boots, Jay?
What? Yeah.
You working?
Yeah.
Thank you for helping Mama and Daddy. This is what we're doing. We're replacing this old door latch because we never got to that, and it was driving me crazy. So Jay here is gonna take it out.
Ooh. It's also scared and this thing for.
Good job, JJ.
I get.
All about the little things. So you open the door now, it's nice and clean, right? So we replaced all of those old door latch. Look how nasty they were, and it's just a quick little update, and it makes a huge difference. Lunch now. I was craving sushi. Say hi, Jay.
Hi.
Honey. So we came to this local Japanese food spot and see what we get. Got our food. Jaden's gonna try sushi for the first time, right? ¿Va a probar el sushi por la primera vez?
Sí.
Okay, dale.
Okay, I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yes, I am.
Come on, you're gonna love it. Thank
Let
you.
me know if there's anything you need.
Okay.
Another one?
Put it in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth, it's yummy.
Wow. That's not sushi.
That's sushi.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Oh my god, the fried rice looks so good. So after lunch, we stopped at Lowe's, and oh my god, you guys, they have a bunch of cute Christmas decor, and especially for the outdoors, I found a couple of things that I liked. And also, I was able to get what I was looking for my closet. I got some extra shelves, and I had them cut them to size as well. But look at all this Christmas stuff. I am ready, you guys. Are ready to go to a little Halloween party? Show your outfit, Jay. ¡Qué lindo! Hi. So on Saturday, my cousin invited us to a little Halloween get-together with the kids and friends, and it was so much fun, and I love how festive she is. She decorated her house so cute for the holiday. It looked so spooky and cute. The kids had a great time. Jaden couldn't wait to start, painting his pumpkin, so here he is doing just that. Morning, I made some yummy scrambled eggs. And then we relaxed, watched a little bit of TV before we started our kitchen demo because it's day one of the kitchen renovations, you guys, on a Sunday. Yeah, I know. This is the before. This is how the kitchen looks. I just wanted to kind of show you how everything looked before we took it all apart. But this kitchen, it's gonna have a new layout, so stay tuned for that because I'm super excited about this renovation, even though I'm already having anxiety. So I started taking everything out of the kitchen cabinet and putting things on boxes and And the hubby and the guys started taking out the cabinet and, you know, just bringing things apart, and then taking the backsplash, the countertops, everything needed to be demo on this day. And they got to work, you guys. They did this in a couple of hours. And it's always good to do your own demo because this is extra money that you could save whenever you're doing home renovations. So we always like to do it as a family, bring friends in and get it all done. So we headed upstairs to the laundry room, and I am excited for this project because finally we get to, you know, do some work in this space. So we added some of those cabinets in here from the old kitchen. I'm gonna be doing some shelves in here as well, and maybe doing an epoxy countertop here. So stay tuned for all the DIYs that we're gonna be doing in this space. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.